excited. Settled in. I think it was a good. So, could you see him pretty good?
He's behind the trees. You can make him out. You can't see no arrow. You can't see no miles. You can see him, but you can't. It's behind the bush. I mean, he's in the picture. He's in the front.
Okay, well, let's see what happens. Stay right here. Okay. Folks, this is exciting. Big bulls bugling, Colorado.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you, John.
We earned it.
Oh, man, I tell you what, I don't know what to say. Guys, we have been in bulls since day one. You know, we came a little early. You know, we had some fun. Bulls weren't quite near as active as they are here this last time we've come.
Yeah.
John, got us on bulls every day these last couple of days. And if it wasn't for the swirling wind,
Or the trees.
the jumping trees, I filled that aspen tag first day.
First day, yeah.
You know, but this is the best bull, I think. You know,
This is awesome.
we've even had an opportunity yet. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Look at, I gotta get my hands on him. Oh. Whew.
Nice bull.
Oh.
Nice 6. Look at
This, folks. Bear Mountain Ranch, Colorado elk. Look at the thirds, John.
awesome
You know,
birds.
we were talking about this in camp the other day, just how somehow we got a lot of, the Colorado bulls tend to have smaller thirds.
Right.
He's not missing anything on the thirds. I
No.
mean, this is a great, typical representative of a Colorado 6.
You betcha.
Small 6, but you know, just beautiful bull. I mean,
Awesome.
this is a great bull for Colorado.
You bet. Awesome.
And there's just something about being out here in God's creation, sharing it with guys like you and the camaraderie we have at camp, you know, the camaraderie. I don't know what to say. You know.
We want to thank you so much for being with us
Oh,
today.
yes.
It's been a great hunt.
You guys have treated us like royalty.
We've gotten into a few animals.
Yeah.
The
Still
bulls are
bugling?
bugling.
Oh, I don't know what to say. Folks, you know, for John, for Jason, cameraman, for Adam, who couldn't make it back
Right.
up here, Randy,
Yep.
you know, and myself, Trevin Stolzfus, thanks for joining us today on the Best of the West. And, you know, I want to encourage you, if you're looking for quality bugling bulls, archery elk hunt, Bear Mountain Ranch, you guys have a phenomenal setup.
Do we do things Western?
Oh, and you do things Western. You think we're going to have to get the horses in here to get this sucker out?
I think it's probably like it.
Oh, man, I'm stoked. Thanks for watching, man.
You
Thanks
bet.
for watching. Man. Well, John, this is what I would consider a Muzzy moment.
That's for sure.
Oh, these suckers
Did the job.
do the job. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Look at the eye guards.
Yep. He's just symmetrical.